Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to download SnapTube application on Google Chrome. SnapTube is no longer on Google Play Store. It is now on Chrome. You can open your Chrome application. Then here we are going to search for SnapTube. SnapTube. Guys, this is SnapTube. Let's click on this one. SnapTube download. Then here you'll need to download SnapTube, install the app, use the app, then click on download SnapTube. Then let's download. Guys, as you can see, the app is downloading. You need to wait for it to finish downloading, then install the app, you start using it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. See you in the next one.